Are you looking for a roof that will last a lifetime? There are only two types of roofs out there. There are steep roofs and then flat roofs. The type of roof will determine which materials are used for your property. If your property, whether it's commercial or residential, has a flat roof, the most common materials are fiberglass, rubber, and thermoplastic. And all those materials are good if they're in the hands of the right contractor to install them. But we believe that thermoplastic is the best choice. It's an affordable and superior system with a proven track record that ensures a long lifespan. It's low maintenance and has an unmatched resistance to water, UV, weathering, with an effective heat reflection for cooler interiors, promoting energy and efficiency for your property. Without a doubt, it's the best alternative for your flat roof. It's sustainable over time, and in the long run, it's the lowest cost roof because you eliminate the life cycle cost, ensuring resistance and durability. This roof lasts a lifetime. Think of it as the smartest investment you can make, a choice that adds significant value to your property. Most of Mr. Roofing's flat roofs are produced by leading manufacturers known for offering superior quality and providing long-term warranties for roofs of any size. And remember, choosing the right contractor, the right system, and the right warranty are the keys to ensuring the durability of your roof. Now, everyone says that they work with the best materials and the best people, but we measure it. By choosing Mr. Roofing, we guarantee you'll be completely satisfied, not just with the roof or the solar installation, but with your whole experience of working with us. Our exceptional service will have you recommending us to your friends and family as the best and safest choice, a gesture that we deeply value. Contact our award-winning team today for a roof that will last a lifetime.